guys to this quick tutorial. I want to rebuild this wall over here, exactly one step above over there. So to start off, I just built a hard cut right here. Yeah, it's the basement of this very beautiful wall. Here the lineups and the Querverstellungs over here. So let's rebuild this, but first off I need more wood. So guys, here I am at the wood. It's my wood spawner. Actually it's a full automatic wood farm. So I can just grab this and in a few minutes there will be more. So we just need mostly straight sticks. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's okay. It don't have to be perfectly straight because it also looks quite natural if it's not perfect. So let's grab some wood and start building. It's a nice stick, man. Let's go. Also, I can say that it looks very nice if the sticks are not all the same size. Look at this, it's combined, it looks very nice. So just also pick sticks with all the size. So now we will choose the ones which we use as this ones. So for this one we take the more bigger ones, but not too big like this. This one is perfect, it's high enough, so we can put this part in under the floor into the tent. Yeah, it's quite perfect. So how much of this one do we need? I nearly put like this between them. So we put this one over here. Then we can put this one over here. So yeah, then line it up. So by the way, I decided to include this beautiful rock into my wall. I'm not really now how I will do it, but we will see. So I decided to put the stone here, and I carved out the wall over here a bit to make the stone fits perfectly in here. And here you can see it, I added sand under it, so if it rains the stability don't breaks and everything stays where it should. So yeah, I have to add a few more dirt over here that the stone will not fall over here. So yeah, let's put it here, stable, let's go. So I dig the first hole for the first pile. Also put some sand in there for the stability if it rains. And now just put it in there. Let's go. So the first pile standing. Fill the stuff with sand and dirt. Press it so the fire can't wackles. Next hole, more sand, and dig it in. Next one, next one, next one, and the last one. Now we have to build here a bed of sand again for the horizontal sticks. They also have to underline with sand for the stability. Put sand in there. Now start stacking the horizontal sticks. And at the end, filling the backside with sand and dirt again for the water of the rain to float through. So now it's done. Everything filled up over here. The stuff will grow on, so there's a smooth Übergang. I added a few stones over here because with only the sticks it was fitting quite well, so I added the stones. Now it's perfect. How this stick is covering the stone is just insane. Yeah, this stone also looks nice here. Now we have to put some of the plants maybe here in the looks. Some already did, or there already did some. Took some of the moss, place it here or somewhere where you want, and it will just look insane. I placed this small dude over here. Still have a bunch of green stuff which I can put in there. This will look insane, guys. It's an insane project. So that's the final product. Decorated all a bit. I put Mother Earth over here and over there, so I can use this for farmland, like a bit wheat or something like that. Wheat, carrots, potatoes maybe. Yeah, it's perfect for that. So that was the tutorial. I hope you understand everything quite well. It's not that easy. I mean, it was taking me around 1.5 hours to 4 hours for me. But you have to notice I'm a professional and I have professional gear to do all this stuff. If you do it at home, DIY style, you would probably need around 15 to 20 hours pure in-game time. So it needs a few days. Yeah. So do it yourself, do it at home. That's the final product. Here with nice verzierungs, nice add-ons, a bit mossy style. We have small pack of stones. The stones are insanely involved into the wall over there. Yeah, I have a few more stones which I can add in. Yeah, a few more wood. Yeah, it blends in beautiful to the rest of the nature over there. It's just insane. You can add a few add-ons like here a bee hotel or a bird hotel, something like that, or I add a small hole in there. So yeah, just do it yourself. Bye bye, keep vibrating. Scoop.